Hi, it's Top Cat Urban Explorer. And there she is, my old friend Lullaby Cottage. Had a walk up here. See the others way behind me. And they're gonna go in. Right, we're now going in.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll go.
We're now in a little outbuilding outside. There's the builder. Now I've got a swear word on my video. Right, that's it now for this place, Lullaby Cottage. Like and subscribe. See you in my next video.